Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reveal your fruits value without collecting them using magnifying glass and grow a garden. Okay, let's get started. First of all, of course, you need to buy magnifying glass from the gear shop, and I have already bought it, this one guys. And then you can choose the fruits that you want to reveal. And for example, I'm going to reveal the value of my Rosy Delight, this one. So we can select it like this, and then we'll be able to know the value. And this is the value of my Rosy Delight. And then I'm going to select the other fruits. Okay, I'm going to choose my Amber Lily. Okay, you can tap and hold on it. And this is the value of my Amber Lily. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.